Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about genetic engineering. We're going to be talking about what is genetic engineering and why is it useful and bad to us, okay? So what is genetic engineering, or genetic modification, in other words? So what is it? So what it is basically it changes the DNA from, it basically allows you to change the characteristics of various organisms. How? Let's say there was this pretty lady, okay? And you wanted some of the characteristics in another person as well. You would take some of the DNA from that pretty lady, give it to another person, and then they would mostly grow to have those characteristics as well. This is genetic engineering. For example, let's say there was a beautiful cat, okay, that all the other cats envied, okay? So what we could do is take some of the DNA from that cat, okay, or the genetic build of it, get another cat, give them that genetic engineering, that genetic stuff, the DNA, and they would technically grow into have those more characteristic traits, okay? But not only is it used for living organisms, it could also be used in plants, not with animals, but plants as well. In agriculture, they're most likely used for making their crops stronger and yield more better. They'd also make them resistant, pest resistant, and some crops could have more nutrients and minerals as that. So it might seem all good and that, but why is there so much controversy around genetic engineering? Well, there are many stuff that can also go down bad with it, such as 1, hidden allergies. Due to genetic engineering, let's say, since in most allergic reactions, it's due to the protein build that the DNA creates inside that, right? They create protein, and that protein build, okay, can cause most allergic reactions. So when we shift the DNA of it, okay, so we genetically modify a food, you could potentially also create a non-allergic food into an allergic food by accident, okay? Not only that, there are also these things called super weeds. You see, sometimes these, these plants, okay, that basically resist pests, okay, and other stuff that are bad for plants, right? Sometimes pollinate with their wild cousins, creating super weeds. So these weeds won't be affected by pesticides or anything like that, okay? And one thing as well, they're bad for us. Well, bad for not only us, but also through other animals and such. Let's say, when we change the genetic material in our food, let's say that, it could have less protein, nutrients and stuff, or it could even be downright harmful to us as well. And there was once a study, okay? There was this genetically modified cow, okay, who produced more growth hormones and stuff like that, right, inside the milk of it. This could be directly compared to cancer in humans, okay? So there's all this bad stuff. But if we be careful on how we treat genetic engineering, the superpower, okay, maybe we can use it for the good and better. So that's basically what genetic engineering is, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!